Hello there! So we're in a different setup right now. The light outside is going to be constantly changing and I'm working with this light that I don't know if it's going to work the whole video, so we're just experimenting here. If you don't know me, I have started makeup school this fall and I've been going to Blanche Macdonald, doing the freelance program. Along with that, I got this beautiful makeup kit. Later on, I'll show you an updated one as I add things to it. So this is just the basic stuff. I added some of the essentials, but still there's lots of room for more makeup. So in case you're curious what's in this heavy thing that I have to haul literally all around Vancouver. Okay, not all around Vancouver, but I have to haul it everywhere through the SkyTrain station, which most of the escalators don't work, so that's fun. In the first compartments, you got your clips, and then the zipper that just comes right around, and then you got your first little compartment. Okay, so first off, on this little shelf right here, this whole thing actually like comes out, but I usually just keep it in here. So the first one I have is the Makeup Forever Smoky Lash Extra Black Mascara. Which is just a nice basic mascara. I don't really know my full thoughts with this yet because I only use it once. These are just a bunch of little brushes, just disposable ones that I can use on people, but this mascara is actually my personal mascara, so when we're doing each other's makeup, as we're learning in our classes, we'll just use our own mascara on ourselves, or people will use their own. And then here I have my concealer palette, or my correcting palette, whatever you want to call it. Which this is just amazing because this is like stuff you can't get. This is like a true makeup artist concealer palette. So it's got some fun like correcting shades. This side over here we have all the fun lip colors and stuff. So we got the Ruby Woo lipsticks. We got Jubilee, which is a nice kind of brown tone classic nude, and all of these I have to scrape onto a palette, which I'll show you later. Myth, this is a satin finish, more of a peachy nude, great for I think more like a paler skin tone. And then I got Del Rio, which is another satin, which is like a beautiful like brown tone mauve, I'm gonna say. Got the MAC lip gloss here, another one just great on its own to mix on things, put on your eyelids, you know. And then I have the Carmax Classic Lip Balm, which I actually really love the smell of. I don't know why, it's kind of weird. But this one's great because it's also kind of has exfoliating properties in it, so it's great just to put on people if they have very chapped lips. I have the Makeup Forever Aqua Black waterproof cream eyeshadow, which is great as a base on the eye, as an eyeliner. My little mixing cup where I like to wash my brushes like quickly between uses. And then I have a little sharpener for pencils. Got all the pencils, which I just elastic band. These ones I'm not really sure what the brand is, I was just given them in my kit. I have like a pinky nude, a brownie nude, which would match the, I believe Myth was it, more of a red berry tone, and then I got the eyeliners, black, white, and a brown. So just good basics. Okay, so inside the main compartment, inside like the bucket part, I have more of the bigger items. So I have this right here, which is like the multicolor circle palette with a bunch of creams. Like there's green and white, which I've used for color correcting like redness to make like a minty tone, and then there's a bunch, these are like multi-purpose products if you want to like change the color of something or just use them as a pigment. And then I have a Makeup Forever palette, which I am so excited to add colors to. So I got some fun colors in here. These are more like colorful ones. I've got pink, orange, yellow, kind of green, emerald color, beautiful blue, I'm excited to use that, and then a purple. I got some beautiful colors here, you know, like the classic MAC shades, but some nice neutrals, like these ones I can use even for contour, black is nice, you know, the white for highlighting. So there's lots of different like versatile colors in here, which is great for complexion and eyes, and I think that's great for my beginning stage, not having so many products, just using it, and that's kind of their goal. And then there's this palette, I'm not sure what the brand is again, but it's a blush palette. And the shades are beautiful. I haven't played around with it yet. Plum, some neutral ones, not enough neutral ones I find, and those peachy and bright pinks. Really pretty, love that. This is my eyelash curler that we added to the kit. I ordered it off Sephora. It's the most beautiful eyeliner. I tried it the other day and it's insane. It just opens up so wide, so it's good to get all those lashes and it's so comfortable to hold because of the double lines. Like if you want to invest into eyeliner, I think this was like $33 or something like that, this is the one to go for, the Surat Beauty eyelash curler. Amazing. And then I also got the Shu Amora, which I think is better for like more Asian eyes, which my eyes are kind of half Asian. Yeah, I bought 2 of them to play around, see which one I like better, but so far like that one. Just see which one works better for different people and such. This is the original RCMA makeup no color powder, which comes in like a seasoning spice container. It's just a great basic powder. You can use on all skin tones. So yeah, and hey, it's getting brighter outside all of a sudden. Then I have Makeup Forever foundations, because actually Blanche Macdonald has their Curly Q store, and they're the only pro store in Vancouver in Canada. Something like that. Anyways, so I got 3 of those, and you know, you just mix it to find the person's shade. So I was talking with one of my classmates, and we're talking about how this primer kind of smells like petrol, you know, gasoline, like strongly, or like fabric glue. Anyways, it smells really weird. It's the Ordinary High Spreadability Fluid Primer. It's like a surface smoother primer. Okay, so then I have a bunch of eyelashes. These are the QT lashes, which I'm not really familiar with, just some big ones and then a more natural one. And then I got a bunch of individuals, which are my favorite. And then of course I got the Duo lash adhesive, and I believe this is in the clear one. Then these are like new to my life, to my makeup life. I have like seen so many people use things like this on YouTube, but I never got my hands on one. Is a Forever Puff. So it's got like a pad on one side and then your side. This one's nice because it's pointed, so you can get into those crevices. Really nice for packing powder, especially for me because I have oily skin. It's not just getting like that surface powder, it's really pressing it in. Washable and reusable. Then I have my mixing palette, which is just a metal palette with my spatula, for just mixing everything, because makeup artists are very sanitary and you can't just dip products into each other. So you literally have to ruin your lipsticks and scrape them onto a palette if you want to use it. And then I have a tweezer and scissors. This is like a stick for like mixing, for like pressing lashes on, for doing whatever you desire. Anyway, so that's everything in the front compartment. I also have this little Velcro thing that you can put products in or stuff or whatever, and yeah, that's that. So I just have this on my knee right now just so I can show you the idea of how it opens up. So it has the compartment with all the stuff literally just in there. I have a compartment right here as well. First I have this little cape, or bib, whatever you want to call it, probably a bib. This black one that you put on people so you don't get their clothes all makeup-y. So I just got some basic medium size like hand towels that are white, that are great for just laying out on your surface, your workplace, and putting all your products on. Cotton pads for taking off makeup, cleansing your face. Then I have some sponges that they provided, which again I'll have to replenish, but I actually really like these sponges. They're not like the typical sponges, wedge sponges you get from like the drugstore. They're like very soft, and these are latex free, which is great for if your client is allergic to latex. I have Q-tips because tissues are great. Again, clean up. Got some makeup wipes, which I actually really love these ones. These are the Kirkland Daily Facial Towelette. I got a box of a bunch of them. Go to Costco for your wipes if you have a kit, or in general pick up these wipes. They're amazing. They don't burn your eyes. So now this is all like my skincare kind of stuff. This is probably what weighs down my suitcase. But it's the Bioderma, which is amazing for cleansing the face just on a cotton pad on the go, for taking off makeup. Then I also, on the same line, have the Bioderma Cleansing Milk. Cleansing milk is a great one to have in your kit because it's great for removing makeup as well as cleansing, so good for stubborn makeup because it'll break it down more. So this is the Cocoa Kind Organic Rose Water Facial Toner. Everybody that has a makeup kit should own this. This is the Emberly's Latte Cream Concentrate, which is just a beautiful moisturizer. Just makes your skin so plump and hydrated. Great for all skin types. Great as a makeup base. This is the Cinema Secret makeup brush cleaner. This is in the really small size. This is a quick drying rinse free formula. Basically you put it in a little cup, that little cup I showed you earlier, and you swirl your cream product brushes in it just to get the main product off, and it really just gets it off, and then you just wipe your brush off. So this is great if you're using like the same brush twice on one application and you're using different colors, so you can clean it in between. 70% alcohol for sanitizing things mostly. Then I have just water, spraying sponges, just whenever you need water. Water is great to have. Then I have a hand sanitizer, essential. And then I have a little shot glass for like sterilizing tweezers. Then, like I said earlier, I have a compartment on the actual flap door, which I keep my brushes, because you're wondering where all my brushes are, right? First of all, I have some Ziploc bags, just a big freezer bag for putting my dirty brushes in. So those are all my brushes. These are just very basic. They kind of remind me of Morphe. Some of them are really nice. I love this foundation brush. It's so soft, really nice. But yeah, that's pretty much my whole kit, which I love, and I'm so excited. Literally, like, my last 2 classes have been so amazing. I've enjoyed and learned so much, and I'm so excited for the next 9 months. I'm sorry about the lighting. I just want to apologize because I probably went like 6 times trying to change the battery. This light is just not working, so I'm working natural light, which is behind me, so good job, Sabrina. So yeah, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more videos. Well, I'll see you guys in next week's video.